In this video, I'm going to give you the purpose of a Facebook business page and the type of ads that you should be running consistently from that business page. So number one, the purpose of a Facebook page is to increase brand awareness, to drive traffic to your website, blog, or landing page, to generate leads, and to make sales. That is the purpose of a Facebook page. It is well known that Facebook does not drive a whole lot of traffic to your Facebook business page, but it is essential to have a Facebook business page if you are a business, because that's the only way you can do Facebook ads. The three types of Facebook ads that you need to be running on a regular basis are a traffic ad, a videos views ad, and a lead generation ad. A traffic ad is the type of ad that you run that will lead people off of Facebook to your blog, your website, or your landing page. You can run a traffic ad to your landing page, but understand Facebook is only showing your ad to people most likely to leave Facebook and wait for your page to run, not people most likely to give you their name and email and possibly their phone number. A lead gen ad is an ad that Facebook will send to people who are most likely to give you their name, email, and possibly their phone number. Understand that when you do add a next layer, such as phone number, on your lead gen page, it decreases the number of leads that you'll get, but it increases the quality of the leads that you do get. And the third ad is the video views. I love video views ads. You can run a video views ad for as little as $1 and get video views 15 seconds or longer for a penny a pop. So that's 100 video views for $1 if you do it at $1 a day. Video view ads are cheap ads that you can do to increase brand awareness and let people know who you are, what you do, and who you serve. So when it comes to engagement ads, I already mentioned the ad where it's the landing page views, where people will leave Facebook to go to your landing page. But another type of traffic ad is it's an engagement ad. With an engagement ad, Facebook is going to send it to people most likely to give you a heart, a thumbs up, or drop a comment on your post. If you want help understanding how to effectively use Facebook ads in your business, if you want to know how to create highly successful and profitable Facebook ads, for more information and all the details, click the link in the comments of this video.